Hi friends, this video is going to be on Mesulid. Mesulid has 100 milligrams of Nimesulide in every tablet. The box has 10 tablets in it. It's made by Helshin Pharmaceuticals and the price for the box is 99 rupees. Nimesulide is a medication used for pain relief and for the prevention of fever, acute pain, pain due to menstrual cramps, backache, post-operative pain, osteoarthritis and fever are frequently prescribed. This drug belongs to the NSAID class nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drug. Nimesulide is an inhibitor. Nimesulide is an inhibitor of cyclooxygenase, so it eliminates these symptoms efficiently. This medicine targets all components such as free radicals, proteolytic enzymes, histamine, cyclooxygenases and prostaglandin that lead to the development of swelling. Nimesulide is a potent non-steroidal anti-inflammatory medication that works rapidly. It is used for the treatment of acute pain associated with menstruation and osteoarthritis. It is also used for treating mild to moderate pain caused by joint and muscle strain and sprains. It should not, however, be granted to children below the age of 12 years. Some side effects of Nimesulide include acid or sore stomach, stomach discomfort, dizziness, rash, nausea and vomiting, elevated liver enzymes, blood clotting disorders and diarrhea. If you have any serious side effects, contact with your doctor immediately. Nimesulide 10 milligram tablet should be taken with food. It will prevent from getting any upset stomach. Normally the person should try to take a small amount of Nimesulide for controlling the symptoms for the shortest possible time. The normal and usual dosage of Nimesulide is 100 milligrams twice a day. Dosage for children are 5 milligrams per kg of body weight and 2 or 3 divided doses. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.